Welcome to YOGATX, guys. This is Echo with Monday Morning Flows with Echo, and I am so excited to be taking you with me into the redwoods here in Northern California for our yoga practice. So this morning's practice is going to be energizing, but nice and slow and breath-based, so really connecting with your breath and your movement always, and showing yourself love, giving yourself love, and wishing you such a beautiful practice here amongst the redwood trees with me. All right, let's start at the front of the yoga mat. I have a nice stick under my yoga mat. Hopefully you've got something a little bit more comfortable. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, reach. And exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, reach. And exhale, hands to heart. Inhale, open the elbows wide, peel the chest open, look up. Inhale, reach the arms up, straighten up, slight back bend. And exhale, bend the elbows, open the heart, undulate the chest forward. Inhale, reach up, grow. And exhale, undulate chest forward. Inhale, reach up and grow like a tree. And exhale, bend the elbows, slight bend the knees, undulate the chest forward. Inhale, up. And exhale, wave. Last one, this time inhale, reach up, clasp the thumbs. And exhale, bow forward. Slight bend in the knees, take the hands to the lower back. Make a fist, press the fist up towards the sky, fold in. Nice bend in the knees, let the shoulders open here, ground down through the feet. Let go of the bind, inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, plant the hands, step back to downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, inhale, reach the right leg up. Exhale, step the right foot through. Bring the left knee to the earth. Inhale, reach the arms up. Take an inhale. Exhale, bend the elbows, open the chest. Inhale, sweep the arms forward, hips back. Straighten the right leg. Exhale, bend the right knee, open the chest. Look up, back bend. Inhale, straighten the right leg, reach forward. Exhale, bend the elbows, open the chest. Inhale, reach and straighten. Exhale, bend and open. Inhale. And exhale. Stay here, right hand to the back of the left calf. Left arm stretching up and over. Get nice and long through the left side body. Hands to the earth, step back, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the left leg. Exhale, step the left foot through. Right knee to the ground. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, open the heart space, bend the elbows. Inhale, left leg straight, reach forward. Exhale, bend the elbows, open the heart. Inhale, reach. And exhale, bend. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, left hand to the back of the right heel, right arm stretching up and over. Nice and long through the right side body. Inhale. And exhale, hands to the earth, step forward, folds. Slight bend in the knees. Inhale, thumbs together, reach all the way up, open up. And exhale, hands to heart center, hands alongside the body. Take a moment grounding down through the feet, letting the shoulders relax. Feeling grateful to be grounded in your body today, rooted into the earth. Open the eyes, inhale, reach up. And exhale, hands to the heart. I have a beautiful big redwood tree right in front of me. I feel so grateful. Step the feet out nice and wide. Turn the toes towards the front and the back of the mat and sink into the hips here. Take the arms out to the side. And take an inhale, reach up, straighten. Exhale, bend the elbows, bend the knees. Inhale, reach up, straighten. Exhale, bend, open the heart space. Inhale, reach. And exhale, bend. And give. And receive. Inhale up. And exhale down. Getting you to work out your glutes and your booty. Inhale up. And exhale down. Pause here and be a little bit of a tree with me. You can wave in the wind, move from side to side, move your limbs. Get nice and long and dancey. And just imagine that you're here in this space. We can take ourselves wherever we'd like. And bring the right elbow down to the right thigh. Left arm stretching up and over. Slight pressure of the right thigh or the right elbow into the right thigh. Open the heart space, look up. I know your thighs are tired. Stay with it, press the heels in. Take an inhale, come up through center, left elbow down. Right arm stretching up and over. Get nice and long through the right side body. Looking up. Wherever you are, I hope that you get a chance to practice outside, or even if you're inside, you've got a great imagination and can imagine yourself here under the beauty of these giants. Inhale, reach up, straighten up. And exhale, bow all the way down. Hands to the earth. Pigeon toe the feet in, fold to the earth. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, heel toe the feet in towards each other. Fold in. Press through the feet. Inhale, slowly press down to rise up. Shrug the shoulders. And take an inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, hands to the heart. Gonna come into tree pose, Vrikshasana. Really ground down through the left foot, press it into the earth, get nice and stable. Bend the right knee, right foot to the outside of the left ankle or left thigh. You can bring that right foot up even further into the left thigh if you'd like with the hand. Hands come to heart center or extend your branches, nice and open. Shoulders relax down the back. Relax the face, brow, and jaw. Equal inhalations and exhalations through the nostrils. Oh, I feel so grateful to be practicing here. I've got like Mother Tree right in front of me. So become a wavering tree, maybe shutting the eyes down for just a moment. See what that does to your balance. Ooh. Almost out. Right hand comes to the inside of the left thigh, left arm stretching up and over, press the hips over to the left. We're getting nice and long through the left side body, becoming those wavering trees. You can look up towards the left, getting nice and long. Slowly coming back up, recentering. Step the right foot behind the left, nice and long back behind, bend the left knee. Take a hold of the right wrist and pull to the left, look to the right. Get nice and long through the right side here. Let's come back through center. Hands down to heart, hands alongside the body. Let it go. Enjoy the view. Still can't believe I'm here. Let's ground in the right foot. Bend the left knee, left foot to the inside of the right thigh. Hands together at heart center. Find that wave, that balance here of your tree, really grounding down through the right foot, pressing the energy into the earth to find lift. Open the chest, shoulders down the back. Relax the brow and the jaw. Become your wavering tree if you'd like. You could find a focal point and again try to shut the eyes down if you feel grounded enough here to take sight away. And coming back more center, left hand down the inside of the left thigh, press the hips to the right, right arm stretching up and over. So I know for me, this is my trickier side. Really breathe into it, balance, and if you fall out, you just come right back in. Come back up, nice and gracefully, nice and slow. Step the left foot deep back behind the right, deep bend in the right knee. Take a hold of the left wrist, pull to the right as you look to the left. Come back through center. Hands alongside the body. Shut the eyes down. Coming to the end of our activation here. One hand on heart, one hand on belly, just feeling the change here, the wave, the flux of the in-breath and the out of that life force moving through you and for you. Take a deep breath in, deep sigh out. So much gratitude to yourself for showing up today. Gratitude to Mother Earth as she supports you, no matter if it's in the seat of the redwoods or in your office or at your bedroom. Being happy and activated for the life that you are living, breathing intentionally, moving intentionally, being intentional. Hands to heart center, bowing head to heart. Namaste. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me for this beautiful practice. I am beyond grateful. You can find me again on Mondays next week. Feel free to subscribe down below to see what we're up to on the channel. And if you want to find me personally out in the world, you can look for me at my YouTube channel, which has the link below, or my Instagram, or any of my socials. I hope to see you somewhere in the ether. And if not, keep enjoying the practices and breathe, live, and be.